Privacy is an inherent human right to protect human dignity, being, and cause. Information privacy is the right to have some control over how your personal information is collected and used. Privacy and security are symbiotic in nature. They are not one and the same. Security is centered around confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and is about protecting all information, including personal, business, or public information, and the systems that collect, process, and store them. On the other hand, privacy concerns personal information and protects user rights. It encompasses collection of personal information, what can be collected, and how to collect them, who can access and how to access personal information, using and disclosing personal information in authorized manner, which can be used and disclosed by whom, for what purpose. Data quality is to ensure data collected or used are accurate, authentic, non-biased, and not modified improperly. Anonymity is about whether to share and how one can share or send information anonymously. The overlapping area between privacy and security is the protection of personal information. Then, what is personal information? Personal information is anything that establishes a one-to-one relationship to a certain individual. Examples are telephone book data, which may not seem to be particularly personal. Unique identifiers, such as Social Security number, IP addresses, usernames. Sensitive data, such as personal healthcare records, things you purchased, website you visit, geolocations of your comings and goings, and who you associate with via online social network. Watch out for combinations of innocuous data. A study by U.S. Privacy Study Commission reported the real danger is the gradual erosion of individual liberties through automation, integration, and interconnection of many small, separate record-keeping systems, each of which alone may seem innocuous, even beneficial, and wholly justifiable. Previous study also shown that 87% of the U.S. population are uniquely identifiable by combination of date of birth, gender, and zip code. Privacy is not only a legislative obligation to many business, but also a strategic asset and advantage to business competitiveness and brand value. Managing privacy risk is an integral part of cybersecurity risk management, and we will discuss more details later in this course.